वेलकम टू एमएलटी अड्डा। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज जो हम वीडियो लेके आए हैं वो है मेडिकल लैब टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट के लिए, जिसका आज का सब्जेक्ट है कोआगुलेशन। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं कोआगुलेशन से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर प्ले अ रोल इन clot formation in vitro but not in vivo, in vitro clot formation and not in vivo coagulation? एंड ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट फैक्टर 7A, फैक्टर सेकेंड ए, फैक्टर 12A एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी फैक्टर 10A। and correct answer number is C, factor second A. Sorry, 12A. Factor 12A does not play a role in coagulation in vivo. However, in vitro, the deficiency of the factor cause a prolonged APTT result. In vitro, factor 12 is activated by substance such as a glass kaolin and ellagic acid, and in vivo it may be activated by exposure to a negatively charged cell surface membrane such as collagen and well as kallikrein. Next, question number 2. The anticoagulant of choice for most routine coagulation study is option A. Sodium oxalate, B. Sodium citrate, C. Heparin, D. Ethylene डाइएमीन टेट्राएसिटिक एसिड अर्थात EDTA। एंड करेक्ट आंसर फ्रेंड्स, आंसर नंबर बी, सोडियम citrate. The anticoagulant of choice for most coagulation procedure is sodium citrate 3.2%, because factor 5 and 8 are more labile in sodium oxalate. Heparin neutralized thrombin and EDTA inhibits thrombin action of fibrinogen. These anticoagulants are not used for routine coagulation study. So, best choice of anticoagulant is sodium citrate. Option number is B correct. Question number third. Which ratio of anticoagulant to blood is correct for coagulation procedure? Option 1:4, 1:5, 1:9 and 1:10. The optimum ratio of anticoagulant to blood is 1 part of anticoagulant to 9 parts of bloods. The anticoagulant supply in this amount is sufficient to bind all the available calcium, thereby preventing clotting. So correct answer number is C, 1:9. Question number 4. What reagent are used in the platelet uh, prothrombin time टेस्ट? जो पीटी टेस्ट किया जाता है उसके लिए कौन सा रिजेंट यूज किया जाता है? ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन एंड सोडियम क्लोराइड, बी थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन एंड पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, सी थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन एंड कैल्शियम, डी एक्टिन एंड कैल्शियम क्लोराइड। एंड करेक्ट आंसर नंबर इज सी, thromboplastin and calcium combined into a single reagent replace the tissue thromboplastin and calcium necessary in vivo to activate factor 7 to factor 7A. This ultimately generates thrombin from prothrombin via the coagulation cascade. Next, question number 5th. Which test would be abnormal in a patient with factor 10 deficiency? Option number A, PT only, B, A. Prolonged thrombin time, only PT and APTT and thrombin time. And option number A, B, C and D. And correct answer number is C, prothrombin time and A, prolonged thrombin time. Factor 10 is involved in the common pathway of the coagulation cascade. Therefore, its deficiency prolonged both the prothrombin time and a prolonged thrombin time. Activated factor 10 along with factor 5 in the presence of calcium and platelet factor third converts prothrombin factor 2 to the active enzyme thrombin factor 2A. Next, question number 6. Which clotting factor is not measured by prothrombin time and a prolonged thrombin test? Option number A, factor factor 8, B, factor 9, C, factor 5 and D, factor 13. And correct answer number is D, factor 13. Factor 13 is not measured by the PT or APTT. Factor 13, fibrin stabilizing factor, is a transaminase. Next, question number 7. A modification of which procedure can be used to measure fibrinogen? Option है prothrombin time, APTT thrombin time and fibrin degradation products. Correct answer number is C, thrombin time. Fibrinogen can be quantitatively measured by a modification of the thrombin time by diluting the plasma, because the thrombin clotting time of diluted plasma is inversely proportional to the concentration of fibrinogen. Principle of closed methods. Question number 8. Which coagulation test would be abnormal in a vitamin K deficiency patient? Option number A, prothrombin time only, PT and APTT both, fibrinogen level and thrombin time. Correct answer number is B, PT and APTT. Patient with vitamin K deficiency exhibit decreased production of functional prothrombin protein factor 2, factor 7, factor 9 and factor 10. Decreased level of this factor prolonged both the PT and APTT. Next, question number 9. A portion that play a role in both coagulation and platelet aggregation is option number A, factor 1, B, factor 8, C, factor 9 and D, factor 11. Correct answer number is A, factor 1. Factor 1, fibrinogen is necessary for platelet aggregation along with the glycoprotein. Factor 2, B and 3A complex. Factor 1 is also a substrate in the common pathway A coagulation. Thrombin acts of fibrinogen to form fibrin clot. Next, question number 10. The anticoagulant of choice for most routine, which of the following clotting factor are measured by the APTT test? ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी एंड डी दिया हुआ है फ्रेंड्स, काफी सारे ऑप्शन है, तो इसको आप कमेंट्स नीचे कर सकते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर नंबर सी। The APTT test evaluates the clotting factor in the intrinsic pathway 12, 11, 9 and 8, as well the common pathway 10, 5, 2 and 1। एंड फ्रेंड्स ये आज का हमारा 10 बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊंगा नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के साथ। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एमएलटी अड्डा। थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे, जय हिंद, जय भारत।